Hello everyone, it's me Leonard. Welcome you on my new recipe. Actually, this recipe I saw on Instagram. I think it was a trending recipe or trending video on Instagram and also TikTok. So I think me also I need to share with you because I have fresh basil, and so today I will going to share with you the basil flavor, this baked feta pasta, feta cheese first. So you saw here I am taking some of basil leaves for my pasta, and I am going to prepare the pasta today with the less ingredient. And so why looking for your attention for watch the full video. If you watch the full video, it's good for me, and you will describe that how easily we can prepare the delicious pasta recipe. You can see here my fresh ingredients that I will make it ready for today's seasoning. For the seasoning, I just need extra virgin olive oil, salt and peppers. That's it. Yeah, it's fresh here. After all, I need to wash for giving them nice look. Okay. And in this time, I am going to request you to still watching the video and still not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Please consider you subscribe and give a thumbs up for today's video. And if you want to check my other video, you can go my channel page and you can find the recipe that might be good for you. And thanks once again that you are still watching my video, and you will be continue, I hope so. Thanks once again. And you will see here I am going to marinate the cherry tomato, the feta cheese with little black pepper. This is extra virgin olive oil, some salt. That's it for the marination. Give them a smoothie touch. I love cherry tomato. Really, I love it. It's so tasty. It's so juicy. I love the taste, sweet, sour. Really very good. I love it. So set the feta cheese middle of your baking pan, because of when it will be finished grilling and you will be going to mash it with the cherry tomato, it will be easier for you. So you put in the oven and be sure your oven is preheated. So this is the temperature I used here. Sorry, 30 minutes is good enough. You can see how pretty the looks are. They looks really so pretty and delicious. Love it. Yes, this is done. Tomato done. And now I am going to mash it. Before, I need to prepare the main ingredients that I showed before. Basil. This is the main because I love the flavor with the pasta. This is really so lovely flavor. I hope you will try for one time. So this is the time for chopping the basil leaves will take one garlic cloves that I will chop it finely. And if you really love the feta cheese, then I would like to recommend you to watch my another video. That is, I make with green olive feta cheese. I hope you will like the video, and I will try to put the video link on my description. So I hope you will check it out. So the garlic also done. It's finely chopped garlic and basil. Yeah, and I'm going to add it with my tomato sauce that we already baked it. So here I choose the Greek feta cheese, because on this Greek feta cheese I found some extra lovely flavor that really makes me interested to use the one. And for those who don't know, actually feta cheese is not melted like other cheese. It was so confused to me when I worked with feta cheese for the first time. Then I had some small pictures about it. Yeah, I'm happy. It's make me happy and so weird that feta cheese is so soft. You see here, just mash it, mix it, try to mix all the ingredients together. I want to make a lovely smoothie sauce for the pasta. And so there, I already started boiling the pasta for 5 to 6 minutes. Complete. Here, the fresh ingredients, basil and garlic. Already done here. We will mix it for once more time. One tip for you for boiling the pasta: when you try to boil the pasta, use little salt and must use little oil. You will be happy. Once more time. Try it. So that's it. See here, my sauce is ready. Looks so good. Just delicious. I hope you really like the video today. Looking for your thumbs up. Again, if you still not consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please consider to subscribe. Now, time to add the pasta that we already and give them nice mixed. Ready to start. So pasta is ready. If you really like today's recipe, I think you need to share with your friends or family who loves pasta. So thanks for today. Thanks for watching my video once again. Take care, have fun until we will talk. And now enjoy the music. Bye bye.